Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. In today's Dollar Tree haul, I'm going to be sharing with you my makeup, beauty, and self-care items. I am super excited about this haul. I've not been to the Dollar Tree in about 2 months. Dollar General had a lot of items that I would buy at Dollar Tree for 25 cents cheaper, so I just started frequenting the Dollar General. I just found Jackpot of stuff yesterday and I'm so excited. This is my most expensive Dollar Tree haul I've had in a long time. I will link the other haul in the cards and the description box below that has all the house items and stuff like that in it. But first I want to share these, it's totally random, but pins. This video also is going to contain my most favorite finds as well. So these are from the Jot brand and they're the gel pens. The gel pens from Jot brand work fantastic for $1.25. You get all these beautiful glittery colors. So I can't wait to open those. Can't wait to use those. And I also needed some shampoo and conditioner. And right now I'm using the Herbal Essence 2-in-1 coconut milk one, which I absolutely love. Every so often when my shampoo is done, I will switch the brand. So I'm going back to VO5 this time. And I found this lovely scent here in Island Coconut. I love all the coconutty scents. This is 18 fluid ounces. Bonus size, and it's their moisturizing shampoo. This smell, if you love coconut scents, you're gonna really love this. Love the smell of this. And they only had the shampoo. I could not find the conditioner, so what I done was just randomly pick a different VO5 conditioner. Who says you can't mix and match your scents for your hair? You know, like, is there a rule against it? I don't think so. So from the VO5 I got passion fruit smoothie. This one has soy milk and it's the conditioner. It's 18 fluid ounces, also in the bonus size here. The VO5 stuff is pretty nice. I love these bonus sizes. I typically like to wash my hair once a week. That is what my hair is trained for now, and that is what I do. And I don't care that the shampoo is a little bit cheaper. It does its job. It cleans my hair. It moisturizes my hair. End of story, period. So that's that. And this one here, my nanny used this one a lot, the passion fruit smoothie. So it reminded me of her, and I wanted to pick this one up to go with the coconut. A candle. And this is all. This is from Luminescence, and this is just a vanilla scented jar candle. So the cute little mason jar. Once again, these are fantastic for gifts. In the scent vanilla, 3 ounces. This smells really good. And these wax melts, I have never seen there before personally, I don't think. I mean, I've seen wax melts, but this one in particular. This is the pumpkin ginger ale and toasted hazelnut latte. 6 cubes. And this smells amazing. This is also from the Luminescence brand. They had a bunch of different scents, but this one, oh my goodness, smells so good. So good. Fall scented items, fall in general, just makes me so happy. So I had to get some fall scents. I had to have these socks. They had lots of Halloween socks, but they also had a lot of fuzzy socks as well, with lots of different designs, and I got this pair here, and I just love it. It's orange, black, and purple, perfect for spooky season, and they are thick and fuzzy. They feel amazing, so can't wait to use these. Love it. Moving on, I cannot believe how lucky I got finding some of these beauty items. Now, this is a repurchase. The Sure brand cotton balls. Love these. 100 counts. Nail polish, toner, witch hazel, makeup removal, all kinds of stuff. Also, totally random, but this tool bench masking tape. I use masking tape to clean up around my nail cuticle area. The dry polish comes up very easily with this tape, and I don't have to overuse acetone on my skin. I love this method, so I needed a new roll of that. And these are all repurchases as well, and they're from Diamond Cosmetics and LaColors. but the Miracle Nail. This is Diamond Cosmetics. And this is a nail hardener. This works fantastic, by the way. I've been using for a few months. I haven't been having any breaking issues or anything like that. Like, oh, these are my natural nails. And so I would say this is working fantastic. It's not such an abrasive hardener that every time you ding your nail into something it breaks. So far so good. I also got the Diamond Cosmetics Super Dry Top Coat. Favorite top coat, very comparable to Maniology's Smudge Free Top Coat, which is $7. This is $1.25, and it works amazing. It works amazing. I actually am wearing it today. It's just a glossy top coat. And then the LaColors Nail Treatment, the base and top coat. Don't like this as a top coat. Won't use it as a top coat. Tried it in the past. It doesn't work very well. Now with the, I will say with the Super Dry, my nails usually stay looking great, like 7 days. No chipping, polish, and stuff. So that there alone withholds that product. But the base coat, I love this LaColors base coat. I always use this base coat, and I will continue to purchase it. So some nail essentials there. Now on to the super new makeup finds I found. So the Sassy and Chic Mini Sponge 4-pack. And I like that it comes in a resealable kind of package. And I picked the purple set. These are squishy, of course. They don't feel super soft. But I love me a good mini sponge, and I actually needed a new one. I saw these and had to have them. They had these in a purple color. They had them in pink, blue, and then like a teal and pink color. Grabbed purple. And then this is an item that I was hoping at some point I would find in my shade. You all saw the video. I tried the the Be Pure Essentially Ageless foundation. And the foundation itself was nice, was not my shade at all. But today I found the Essentially Ageless Hydrating Serum Concealer in Fair. So I had to pick it up. And hopefully it's going to be a really nice match for me. And we're going to test all this stuff out in a video coming soon. Okay, and as always, I always pick up lashes from the Dollar Tree. These lashes are, of course, Ioni. They are the style Carmen, and they are gorgeous. They have rhinestones on them, and they're spiky. I love a spiky lash. They're from the Day of the Dead collection. Super cute packaging. Love these so much. Can't wait to use them. From Be Pure, I found this really intriguing product. I cannot wait to try this out. So from Be Pure, it says Clean Beauty, and it's a lip jelly. This is the only shade my store had, and it's in rose. But a lip jelly. I am super curious. High shine with rich hydration. I sure hope so. Can't wait to try that out. And then I picked up a couple things from this Beauty Intuition brand. So I've never tried anything from them either. And I picked up the Bold and Bright lipstick. And I don't think it has a shade. But it is a really dark, vampy lip shade. And I'm here for it. I love shades like this. I could not help myself when I saw this. I love vampy lipsticks. So I picked that up. And then I also picked up their eyeshadow palette in Smoky Browns. So Smoky Browns. And I was really intrigued about this palette because it is all matte eyeshadows. Yes, all matte eyeshadows. I'm so excited to try this. I've heard good reviews. And I like that you get a large highlighting shade. This could be used for highlighting, transition, really nice. And you have outer corner, lower lash line kind of shades, so you can really smoke that out and make your look deep. Of course, you have a variety of lid shades or crease colors. Whatever you choose to do. That'd be a nice lid shade too. So I was really happy with this one. They also had the Mauves palette, but once I saw this other palette, I did not grab the Mauves palette. I just got this one because it's all matte, and then I grabbed the other palette that I found. Well, the last two items are from this brand called La Merciere. Okay, let's just agree that I totally butchered this name, and I will just show it to you on the camera. Okay, from this brand I grabbed two items, and this is the Volume XX Black Mascara. So, full volume mascara for thicker, longer, fuller lashes. I love the packaging. Hopefully the brush is really good. It does have one of those curved brushes. They had a couple different ones of these, and I love the packaging on this one, so I wanted to grab this one and try it out. And then last but not least, the last item, still from that same brand there. I did get this eyeshadow palette, and I love how this is cool toned. Like, I'll show you. Like, this one is warm toned. Okay. This one is cool toned, and I was so intrigued to find a cool tone eyeshadow palette at the Dollar Tree. And you have all these taupes and mauve shades. This is fantastic. You get one shimmery shade. Well, this is like a glittery shimmery shade looking eyeshadow. This one is slightly shimmer, so like a satin finish. The rest are matte. You even get a black in there. But I was so intrigued. Like, I cannot wait. I'm probably going to do a look with this shade, these shades here, and obviously that one. So we will see. But I love this find. This is probably one of my most favorite finds. I love all the makeup finds of the day. This was so much fun this time at the Dollar Tree, because I have not been finding many items at all, makeup wise, and nothing to test out and try out. So I feel that I hit the beauty jackpot this time. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree links.